On this problem, we're going to find the distance between 2 points on a graph. The first ordered pair xy is the ordered pair 3, 4, and we're going from that point to the second point xy equals -2, -8. We're going to use a formula that we know for this problem. We have x sub 1, y sub 1 is equal to the first ordered pair, 3, 4, and x sub 2, y sub 2 equals the second ordered pair, -2, -8. And the distance formula, which we've been studying, is d equals the big square root of parenthesis x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus parenthesis y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Now let me say something about this formula. If all that's important is if x sub 2 comes first in the first parenthesis, y sub 2 must come first in the second parenthesis because you're subtracting the coordinates for the second point from the coordinates for the first point. If you get it mixed up, it's okay only if you do the same thing. Like if it's the x sub 1 that comes first in the first parenthesis, the y sub 1 must come first in the second parenthesis. But what's super important also is that you do subtraction inside of the parenthesis, but addition outside of the parentheses. So memorize that formula. Let's go ahead and plug our values in for x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, y sub 2. It gives us d equals the square root of parenthesis -2 minus 3 squared plus parenthesis -8 minus 4. That's the first y value minus the second y value squared. So in the parentheses, we have the square root of parenthesis -5 squared plus parenthesis -12 squared. And if we square those, we get positive numbers, of course. The square root of 25 plus 144 is the square root of 169. That's the number 13. So it's 13 units. That's the distance from the first point to the second. Now, I want you to try one yourself. You are going to find the distance from the ordered pair 2, -2 to the ordered pair 10, 4. And what I recommend you do is that you pause the video and figure out how this works using the same method I just used, and then when you're ready, come back and push play again to see if your answer is the same as mine. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Dee, dee, dee. Oh, you're back. Okay. So let's see. We have the ordered pair x sub 1, y sub 1 is identified as the first point, 2, -2, and the second ordered pair, x sub 2, y sub 2, is identified as the ordered pair 10, 4. Plug those into the formula. Write down the formula first. The square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Now plug those values in their appropriate places. We get the square root of 10 minus 2, which is 8 squared, plus the 4 minus a -2, which is 6 squared. That's the square root of 64 plus 36, which is a nice square root of 100, which is 10, because 10 squared is 100. So these 2 points are 10 units apart from each other.